What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dappa Dan at two. Fantail him. Watch me. Watch me, brother. One egg alone good. So one egg alone good with the fantail him. One egg. I don't even know if you title him a video at this point. Because I make some video game now. Out of 4 duck, 3 left. You Jake never make it. Turn up. Watch out. You know if you didn't man there now. Then over here so. My phone now focus like I'm hard if you focus, I don't know why. Them egg they over there so did spoil. Then is here. 2 rascals out of it jump out now. So that appear the outer and about now. The hen are gone back on 2 egg. Hopefully 2 of them hatch this time. Be one me I get from her. Appear ya hatch 2 baby, 1 pass off it next day after hatch. See me? Everybody else over here so looking as how they're supposed to look. Yeah. So this the one right here so I 2 baby, the one I first baby, the one I second baby. We hatch out the male pigeon there and the female pigeon here. Continue along, no that hesitation, continue along. Poaching them will just come give me egg. So right now in a nest they let sit on for I think frill them I go on with themselves. The muddy in them peer and build nest. See move there? The nest they right this are them Billy. That we know if not see it good, you know. If you not see, you see there. I muddy that them build the nest for themselves. Yeah. Frill them alright. Baby muddy in alright too. So everybody in this coop here. Alright. My side, you don't not subscribe now. You don't not subscribe. You don't not subscribe. To get more video, I'm not subscribing. It's a show no them today. It's a show no them. Then forget the fantail them in their own cub. If you get a couple more pair, a fantail. These niggas. Pass the camera cub on this. And last but not least, you have them 3 of them still not late, they're not late. You see me, they're not late, so I just them me there whip and fillet. Matter of fact, I don't really want to fillet it anymore. I build one coop for them first. So my side, if you enjoy the video, just like, share, subscribe to that post notification bell. Make sure I show the animal them that's going to see everything there with it there. So remember, like, share, subscribe to that post notification bell, and next video I come soon too.